Imagine typing a simple sentence and turning it into a full-blown video. No cameras, no actors, no editing required. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, OpenAI just made that a reality with their new tool called Sora. But how does it work, and why is this such a big deal for creators, businesses, and, well, everyone? Let's break it down. Sora is OpenAI's latest innovation in text-to-video technology. Basically, it lets you create videos from scratch just by describing what you want to see. For example, you could type a futuristic cityscape at sunrise and Sora will generate a video clip that matches your description. It's like having a movie studio in your pocket, but no actors or cameras needed. And it's not just for creating something out of thin air. Sora can animate still images, making your static pictures move almost as if they've come alive. Think about what that means for social media, presentations, or even just spicing up your personal projects. There's also a remixing feature. Have a video that feels a little dull? Sora can add new styles or effects just by using your text prompt. Let's say you filmed a cozy coffee shop scene. You can type in, turn it into a cyberpunk setting, and voila, you've got a neon-lit, futuristic vibe. But here's the feature that really caught my attention. Storyboarding. If you're trying to tell a longer story, you can write out a sequence of prompts and Sora will stitch those together into a cohesive video. It's perfect for creators who want to visualize ideas without spending hours editing. Now, let's talk about who can get their hands on this. If you're a ChatGPT Plus subscriber, you can generate up to 50 videos per month at 720p resolution. But if you're on the Pro plan, the sky's the limit. You get unlimited video creation, 1080p resolution, and watermark-free downloads. So yeah, this is definitely geared toward creators who need high-quality, professional-looking results. Of course, OpenAI didn't just drop this into the world without precautions. Every video comes with visible watermarks and metadata to show that it's AI-generated. Why? To help combat misuse like passing off AI creations as authentic footage. They've also rolled out strict content guidelines to help keep things on the ethical side. So why is this such a big deal? Sora isn't just another tool, it's a glimpse into the future of content creation. From YouTubers to small businesses, even educators and marketers, this technology could change how we communicate and share ideas. Imagine the time saved, the barriers broken. You don't need expensive gear, a big budget, or technical skills, just your imagination.